In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add audio to a Canva video. Now, when you're creating your video just like this, to add audio is pretty simple. What we want to do is come up to the element section just here. Then we want to scroll all the way down to where it says audio. Then we can click on see all. Now, there's so many different types of audio that we can use here, so please look around. We can use the presets just here, which one is Christmas, instrumental, happy birthday, and many more. Now we can look at recently used. Let's go back. We can look at recently used, which is just here. Popular music, we can click on see all, happy, pop, and so many more. We can also just use the search bar just here and type in the type of music that we want to find. For this example, let's just put happy. Now we do have happy here, but we can type in anything in the search bar, click enter, and then it's going to pull up all of the songs that we can use. Now to use these, all we have to do is simply click on one. So let's go back to here. Let's click on this one, and now that's been added to our video, as we can see down here. Now what we can do on here is adjust it as well, and if we click onto the three dots, we can adjust it this way as well, and then move the song around to get that clip of the song that we want to use. Then we can simply click play, and our song is going to be in our video. Now, if you have your own music that you want to use, you can simply upload it into the upload section just here. It's then going to get added to the audio section, and then again you can click on the song that you want to use. But nonetheless, that's just how easy it is to add audio to a Canva video here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.